Welcome to the quick tutorial of PVAPins.com. PVAPins is a platform where you can buy or rent any country's phone number for verify any app. First go to PVAPins.com and click the sign up button. Now click the register new account button. Fill the box with proper information and tap the register button. After sign up successfully you will see the interface like this. For purchase or rent any number you have to recharge your account. The process is very easy. Just hover on top up option and select recharge your account. All available payment methods are shown here based on country. Select any of them and made a recharge successfully. After a successful payment the amount will add your account and will be shown here. Now you are ready to purchase number here. Today, we will learn how to create and verify a Venmo account with a virtual phone number via PVAPins. First we have to visit Venmo.com. Now enter the site and click the login button. Since we have no Venmo account so we need to click the sign up button. Select the type, whether it is personal or anything else. To create a Steam account we need a phone number. Now return to PVAPins and search here any country. Select the country. Type Venmo in the search box. We will see some available number with purchase cost. Select any number and wait a little bit. A phone number of selected country will be shown here. Take this number and use it to open Venmo account. If it needed verification, don't worry, the verification code will be shown here. Take this code and finish the verification procedure. You are almost done. Let's enjoy your journey with PVAPins. Stay tuned for more updates.